What's up, everybody? Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA Lawyer, aka the Dashcam Lawyer. So I just wanted to go over with you three basic types of dash cams, or three different setups that you could potentially have depending on the type of car. So here is the first one. This is kind of your basic dash cam, where it will record anything that goes that happens in the front of your car. These are all the features about it: 4K, looping, Wi-Fi, things like that. But the bottom line is this is a camera that goes on the windshield, and it'll record anything in the front. This one is one that I've done a video on before, and I have it on one of my cars. It's we like this because we don't have a screen in that car, and it didn't have a backup cam. So this functions as a dash camera, also a backup camera, and it will also record things behind you. So I like this camera for those reasons, especially, like I said, because I don't have a backup camera that came with one of our cars that we use as a daily driver. And you just put this right on the rear view mirror. It straps on. I had to have it professionally installed. I'm not that smart. I don't know how to install the lines and the camera all the way to the back of the car and mount it by the license plate. But it wasn't too expensive, and it works perfectly. The last kind of camera is kind of a 3-in-1. So what you have here is right here. Right here, you've got a camera that shoots out the front. And then this other camera here shoots internally. This camera. So it actually shoots the passengers, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. And then it also records what's going on behind you as well. So it's kind of a 3-in-1 camera where it'll record anything going on in the front of you, if you're rear-ended in the back. And if you're Ubering someone, they're drunk, they're being obnoxious, it's going to record the inside. So I like this camera as well. I don't have a particular brand that I recommend. I'm trying a bunch of different ones out. There's so many of them, and they all work so well. But this would be a really good one and a really good price. It's 1080p. It's got looping. It's got parking sensor. It's got everything you need. Great ratings here on Amazon. I have nothing to do with this camera. I have not purchased one, but it was just one that I researched that if I were to get a dash cam again for myself, I may get something like this that does all types of recordings. So I just wanted to go over three of the basic types of dash cams so that you can kind of have some information as to what you need depending on your car and what you're looking for. In an ideal situation, if you already have a backup cam, maybe you want to get the 3-in-1 that does the internal passengers as well if you're driving. But even if you get that other one that just shoots out front, having something is way better than nothing. Go get yourself a dash cam. If you want a chance to win one, I'm going to be giving them away all this year. So check my social media for any of my social media pages. You'll see that we'll release contests throughout this year. We have one going right now for a one giveaway in January 31st. So any major social media platform we're on, you can get on all of them. You can get on one of them, but we'll be announcing contests all throughout the year. But if you can't, don't wait. Go get one now.